On this episode of Worst Roof Ever, we're gonna do a real fast walk around of this roof that I got called out to do a repair on, or figure an estimate for repair. Honestly, I think it needs a new roof, and you'll see why in this video. Let me know what you think down below. Is it repairable? Do you hackify it and repair it? Or do you just simply bite the bullet and replace it? So let me put the GoPro on, we'll do a quick walk over and I'll show you what I found. Okay, so I just came up with a roof over here. Yeah, I just shot a video here about pitch. So, coming up, I get a picture from the guy about something, I don't know, owner or whatever. There's a little damage up here, wanted an estimate for repair. But as soon as I come up the ladder, I come up and I'm like, okay, it's kind of a half-tab dimensional shingle, not even a standard pattern. So probably chances are nail placement has been really careless. Sometimes you can actually, if the shingles are sealed, you can pull up at a keyway or drip groove here, and if the shingle gives a little up, you know there's not a nail in that area, that's good. So that's, they're loose. There's a handful of areas where the shingles are loose, but the pattern's not good. They're actually starting to slide down. There's a built-up pattern normal, and then it goes to crap from here out. Shingles are either stretched a ton, which is not good. The pattern changes back over this way, and then from here they're kind of just cut in, staggered. I mean, this is horrible. Shingles that are even laying here are completely loose. So you've got a whole section that's loose here. I just happened to find one there. Who knows other areas where they're at. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just checking a nail placement. Nail placement is extremely high. If you look at this shingle here that's gonna be under this, here's the headlap, what we refer to that. See, here's what I'm talking about. You got nails near the keyway, they get wet, they rust. Let me bring you up in closer on this here. See that? Water coming in here, gets wet and rust. But what I was gonna show you is this is so high, it's not even hitting the shingle below it. Your nails need to be in the common bond. Missing even down there, it's blown out. Another nail right in the drip groove right here. Chances are the entire roof is like this. You got stuff heating up and sliding out down here. Again, it's just a horrible mess. This edge is loose, it's everywhere. There's more damage back here, more missing. It doesn't stop there in the front. You got some here heating up and sliding out. They're heating up and sliding out down there. Doesn't look like anyone did anything with the chimney except throw tar up there, which you know I can't stand. And even when you got guys that say, oh, well, it's because they didn't have a mesh. Well, this has got a mesh, but look what it's still doing. It's still pulling away, still dripping and oozing down, cracking. This is not a good flashing job. Not even a flashing job. Here's some more, just kind of wherever pattern. There's a little tab thrown in. These are loose, flapping. These are loose. I mean, they're loose everywhere. Again, nails are in and high. Whoever installed this, it's probably that way. I don't know anything on the history of this. If it was a contractor, do-it-yourselfer, I don't know, but I don't want to put my name and reputation on the line to do a repair, and you got stuff like this everywhere sliding out. Look at these jagged edges just heating up, sliding out. There's also probably a combination of whoever installed it drove their nails too deep, they weren't paying attention, and over driving with the gun, blowing the shingles too far through the mat. I don't know what time of year. I don't know anything on the history of this, except I'm not going to do a repair. I'm not even going to quote a repair. Unfortunately, this is another one I got to call the owner and say, hey, I'm sorry, but it needs a new roof. Let me know what your thoughts are. What do you think? Do you think you can get by repairing it? Do you repair it? Do you throw a really high price to repair it? Or just figure a replacement? This Texas Valley is actually across the valley too low, so you're getting water trapping up under here. It feels like the nails are fairly close. I mean, not in it, but close. I mean, in my opinion, this should have been over here, off a little bit. I'm not a fan of bringing hip and ridge from the ridge vent right down and over. We always tuck under and come across the top. Yeah, I don't want to repair this one. I'm not going to. Man, look what I just happened to stumble across here. We have a beauty of a job right here. Look at that, 1-inch stagger. That is amazing. That's good. That's top-notch quality right there. water's not gonna jump over that drip groove right there. Butt joint, keyway, you got it. It's gonna go right in it. This one here is pretty close. That's stacked. Drip groove way too close to the valley. I saw another one down here somewhere. Yeah, there's another one. Another one right here. So some people be like, well, why that be a problem? Well, you got a nail pinning that down. You probably got a nail on that side pinning that down, so it puts you too close to the valley here. Who knows where they put other nails? I have no idea. Let's see what else we can find here relatively quick and simple. Yeah, again, it's just all the way up. Started from the bottom, now I'm here. And this is not good. Underdriven nails, pushing up, breaking through the shingles in a hot day. I know this is kind of nitpicky, but when you're doing a roof, trim your edge straight. And also, don't have a shingle end right here where it's short. In a case like this, we install them. What we gonna do as an installer, you're gonna know, well, that's gonna be short. So you simply cut that shingle back enough so it doesn't interfere with, say, nails or another butt joint. And then your shingle up above, you make sure you offset that till you get to a full another course and run that course up. You don't want small pieces missing. You don't want small pieces put in. If you do, you can't nail them. You don't want to stick them down with a sealer. Yeah. Oh, almost dropped you. It's another cobbled mess. Just one of the things we see on a regular basis here in Kokomo for your guys' entertainment and knowledge. Hopefully you can hear me okay. It's a little breezier today. And just looking to see if I see anything else. Anyway, hopefully you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know, do you like this kind of content? For some reason, the analytics on this channel, worst roof ever, and I try to like put a little twist and learn something out of the unfortunate situations. These videos really go crazy. And my small channel here, posted one the other day, 12,000 views within a day and a half. I was like, maybe this is what you guys want to see, so I'm just gonna ask it. Do you like the worst roof ever stuff? With a little twist of trying to learn something from it. If you do, comment down below. If you don't, comment down below and let me know what you do want to see. I appreciate it. Until next time, be safe and see you guys then. Yeah, no, seriously. Let me know what your worst thing is on the roof too. Like, wow, I just can't believe they do that stuff. It's like every town. I kind of want to actually just start offering a reduced rate or even possibly free, just roof inspections, just totally free. Sign off, let me know that I can film it for the YouTube channel so you guys can see what I can see on a even more often regular basis. I know if I offered a free inspection, one-page summary, they'd probably go with that and I could get you guys a ton of content. It's kind of thought I got running around my head. Sorry for that, it's chilly out. Anyway, until next time, be safe and see you guys then.